Guys, I just meal prepped these Hot Pockets, if you will. Tons of protein. If you love pizza, today I was craving Little Caesars pizza, but I was like, you know what? I don't want to spend the money, even if it's $5-6, whatever. And I definitely don't want to feel guilty after. So listen, high protein, super quick, meal prepped. Let me show you how it's done real quick. So get yourself a Sam's Club, Costco, or wherever you go grocery shopping at. You get more at Sam's Club or Costco for these for less of a price. Got these at Kroger, they were currently on sale. Use the low fats, the mozzarella cheese, and just bought some pizza sauce. Obviously I throw my own ingredients into it, but those are our main ingredients. Grab yourself a bowl, put it on top of a zeroed out scale, grab your cheese. We're gonna use 21 grams, which is about 3/4, so not a complete serving, it's about 3/4 of a serving. Throw that on there, weigh it out. Grab yourself another bowl, weigh it out, or put it at 0. Grab your turkey. We're gonna put 21 grams again. So again, 3/4 of a serving. We're gonna fill the turkey pepperoni in there, weigh it out. Grab yourself a tortilla, have your comal or your burner already warmed up while you're weighing all your stuff out. Okay, you throw it on there, let it cook for a couple seconds or just warm up. Also, you should be having your pizza sauce warmed up. Okay, again, I threw some extra seasonings in there just to make it a little bit better. Took it off the burner and letting it cool. All right, once this is warmed up on both sides, so let it cook, I don't know, 15-20 seconds. Take it off, throw it on a plate, zero it out. Okay, then we're gonna grab our sauce. We're gonna put on 30 grams, which is about half of a serving of sauce on there. Bam, got our serving on there. You're gonna spread this around. Can't do this with just one hand, so spread it around. Once you got that spread just like this, take your cheese, you're gonna throw it on there. Okay, you can spread it how you want to. Spread this out a little bit. In the middle, sorry. Take your pepperoni, throw that on there. Spread this out. Man, I keep going all over the place. Single hand recording is not for the weak. All right, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna fold this. So I'm gonna bring these two sides together and I'm gonna flip this over. Flip that over, and then we'll throw it on here. All right, so I have like this. Again, I took my tortilla on both sides. I brought one side over here, one side over here. Flip this, flip that on top. Okay, grab this, put it on your comal. Press it down. Let the cheese just melt. Let it cook for a couple seconds. Let it cook on both sides. It should be nice and melted. And then you just take your MyFitnessPal, whatever you're using to record, and you record your macros and calories.